Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Evelyn, and in case you're new here, karibu sana. Today we have an amazing recipe just for you. We are going to prepare these yummy samosas that you can have for breakfast or just for your snacks. And without taking much of your time, let's jump right straight to it. These are all the ingredients that you're going to use for our recipe today. So I'm going to list all of them in the description box. So please don't forget to check them out. Now we are going to prepare all our ingredients and set aside. Now we are going to prepare our samosa filling. So put your minced meat on a pan and cook it until all the water is dried up. Here our minced meat is nearly cooked, so go ahead and add in your onions and coriander stems. Mix everything together and cook it until they become translucent. After they become translucent, now we are going to add in our other ingredients gradually, one by one, and mixing everything together until all the flavors are well combined. For our spices, we are going to use a tablespoon of Garam masala, 1 tablespoon of Cumin powder, and 1 tablespoon of Paprika powder. For the chilies, you can add as much as you want according to your liking. Also, don't forget to add in your salt to taste. Now add in your coriander leaves, give it a quick mix, then set it aside and let it cool. As my samosa filling was cooling down, I prepared my samosa pockets. If you want to know how to prepare the samosa pockets, let me know in the comments section and I'll make that video for you. Now I will just wrap them in a cling film, or if you have a kitchen towel, you can wrap them up so that they don't dry out. Now it's time to fill up our pockets. So in a bowl, add in a little bit of water. Then we're going to use our all-purpose flour. Add in and mix everything together to form a thick paste. That is what we're going to use as our glue to seal our pockets. Now we have our pockets ready, and so I'm going to show you how to fold it. So after you have cut it into 4 pieces, we're going to use the lower side. Just fold it as you can see on your screen. Then we're going to apply in our paste. This will act as a sealant to prevent our filling from coming out. When folding in our pocket, make sure that all the sides are sealed and no space is left out. So open up your pocket, then you're going to add in our filling. After adding enough, you're going now to seal, as you can see on your screen. So just fold it in and lock the spaces on the side. Apply in your paste again. Then press gently and lock it. As you can see on your screen here, it's really locked, and so I'm going to repeat the same process with the rest of the pockets. All our samosas are ready, and so now it's time to cook them. In a pan, add in some oil and let it heat. Then we're going to drop in our samosas and cook them until they give you a really good golden brown color. We will keep turning them gently to cook on both sides until we get the color that we really need. Now our samosas are ready, and as you can see on your screen, they've given us this beautiful golden brown color. So we're going to remove them and set them aside. I will repeat the same process with the rest of the samosas until I finish. All done, guys. Just take a look. Yay! Our samosas are ready, and guys, the aroma that is here, can't even imagine. Just see how perfect they came out. They are so crunchy and yummy on the inside. You just have to try this recipe out. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this amazing recipe, and I really hope that you enjoyed it and you're going to try it out. Even as you are heading into the Ramadan, I want to wish all the Muslims a happy Ramadan season, and even as you're going for your iftar, you can try this recipe out. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, kindly subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so that whenever I post these amazing recipes, you can get notified. And until we meet on our next one, bye bye.